what happens is the moon is going behind the Earth. If you were to draw a line between the sun, the Earth, and the moon, and so the only light that's reaching the surface of the moon is that light which is filtered through the Earth's atmosphere and refracted, and then landing on the moon's surface. And so, depending on how much dust there is in the Earth's atmosphere, will determine what color, what hue arrives at the moon's surface. And so if we have a lot of volcanic eruptions, for example, that puts a lot of dust in the atmosphere, and it turns this lovely copper red. And sometimes it can look really quite deep, quite a deep red. On other occasions, it can just look like a sort of a murky pink. But we'll see how it unfolds and see what pictures arrive from different people, particularly in the Americas where it's best viewed. And it's one of those spectacles that is, if you get a chance to see it, it's something that you can just gaze up and look at. Whereas, with a total solar eclipse, which is where the moon is passing in front of the Earth as viewed against the sun, it can be quite dangerous to look at. But this is perfectly safe.
And it's called the blood moon. It has all sorts of conspiracy theories attached to it, doesn't it?
Oh, well, people many years ago would have viewed this as some kind of portent. Thousands of years ago, when they didn't understand science very well. Now these things can be predicted right down to the minute. We know exactly when they're going to happen. And as you say, we're expecting 2 or 3 eclipses of various different types this year. That's the normal number that we get. And so there's nothing unusual about it. There's nothing to worry about it. Just get out there and have a look at it.